Enti John Mahama, don't come and complain. Free. Wajimi oye correct ebebo abaso. Unim nyansa ebebo abaso.
The almighty Twene Jonas, the king of all warm up, it was our sub baby. This time around, we have fire John Mahama. Also Mahama echo a do market baby a hoshi no. Or kwa kizi omu say oh omu yisu gas e wo hon mo cylinder or ho because of that enema ejan Twene Jonas abe fire Mahama. Wabeke kanadwa akire Kevin Taylor ka say obemia deporte Twene Jonas before 2026. Twene Jonas ebuza say oh to me a adentina o me deporte me ene na adme kwache 2026. Ana awian be video am ka kire o say special prosecutor akwache Nii Armah Quaye Billionaire no di the 40th birthday na o maso nyina ne say Nisika or money laundering account, yes, it can either be drug trafficking, fraud, or any other illegal means of acquiring money. It's watching. And also no, wabe jinaso ake kana actually NDC for say identity no be in the birthday na NDC for. Maga watching now. Hi Penyah block media. Where's any DM? Over like video and over subscribe button so. Now be click bell notification icon for latest update. Now be try me da ma e comment especially so over so. No share video ma nua so enya bi ahwe no hu de etwagu e wo man konkron Ghana ha do mo sei obeka ya ewiare number of video na say Billionaire Nii Armah Quaye was celebrating the 40th birthday in a Gargantuan star metro say special prosecutor akwakwche na ahomache no o masem nyina na omu kwadu nyina na say he is guilty of money laundering. There's omu believe say nisika owo no there's an illegal way of acquiring money. Nisika nyina na legal way Kululu be cost nisika same and because of that omo etimi akwakwachana no Twene Jonas ebe fire NDC for say adentina obi upon the brand nye nisika mosimo ntiase yakwakwachana no
Anu boy na odi ni birthday na Ghana for nyina obi ahu se boy ni top pressure ni ade no yese o makwakwachana no Adenya oye money laundry. Inti dada donam krumu on. Mantimi ahu se oye money laundry apart from the birthday. Anwoye abeku bibini hu. Enu ntini ye bre no. NDC fo ntima ahu se akwa no one nam Ghana ho nyina na munim se oye kronfo. Obeye birthday wi pressure na fam. Ama mu mahwe ya obeje mo guest. Obedi mo yere no entie ne Monday by force akomo akwa no. Bibini tira wunya sika akwanutum. Wunya sika akwanutum. Wunya sika akwanutum. Kwanya faso nya usika emma bibini hu. Nyasa omubeye they will down for we omakochi ni no man nyina abese because ne microfinance ni nkofo sika de da ho no. Eno na odi business. Or the mabosian when your profit no or save profit no when your interest also. Etiena NDC for akwachining. And one no na dwuma na be say no no obeba bedane hiani. Enti wunya sika ko bibini o ye mene wo sere kwa. Ko bibini ye dey mene wo sere kwa. Of course her from heaven na munare glass in kwanya misha broni. Isn't this incredible? Ko bibini ye dey mene wo sere kwa. Ye no. Enti wunya sika kawanutum.
And obeti see Mahama so concern kejetia concern a doom PZ e ho na hye no. Onse Mahama Quaye okwa kizi o mse oh gas ne cylinder mu using hard no ana ni nyina a play role in this whole fire. It's mamu nye bi any other day. Ana Twene Jonas you are the leader. You shouldn't complain. Stop the blame games. Enforce law. Ye bibi.
And I would John Mahama and kejetia na hye no mati say gas explosion. And a man she here almost so selling that war, unim so almost so selling that war, and man me complaining. You are the lawmaker, on I am penny. Can't find signboard, couple bookage say nobody supposed to bring selling that day. Can't find signboard, couple bona munya is a bibia jimin kuana. Problems here, intimate finding solution to prevent future problems. The biana e kasana e chidin. And he said, if you have rectified the problem, ekosu ujana mu make sure say mo de sign aboho na mo twesika to so obi de cylinder be wura ha mo china e bia 5 million simple Monya ne sa pepe se be ya bibini nso ye nipa Jimmy no mfaso bia ni so. I'm telling you the fact. Na me catch you say every na mu na we na me shabroni. Isn't this incredible? The paradise on earth. And to John Mahama, don't come and complain once you already have the power. And to come na make sure say wa ko gina ho ahihye mmra say every na market center bia wo Ghana no obi pe aduane adia onso nkoto aduane ma omenu aduane wo ne storm ma omenu aduane wo ne storm onfa cars emewura market wo mo china mu twa nipa pro damage mu nsua nyansa
Oguzu kasana and will be commenting say oh Twene Jonas Kevin tell across before 2026 na obemya do be fie and was what owo bibi ya adentina wanye adentina onye ne now no dey question 2026 ne say Twene Jonas say chirimu say Kevin Taylor play mind games only hwe ye enti wo dey question 2026 say bia enuro no na the friends na wura kura fi
Obi say Kevin Taylor said he will bring you before 2026 oye kwasha so who said heat na no de ontime solve NDC fo nyina nya obia enti sa na tie dia ma me dada NDC fo mu ano say 2026 na mde ne beba odwan ade 24 hours me ko fa na ba no adane 2026 ofui be kan no kura chiro mo say the almighty no wontime stand heat no ti said ye buku mbanku na mo pa achewo no said ye be ya meja ha mu ko jimi we be ani ha obetimi handle the almighty. I am the most powerful person on earth and I Kevin Taylor kasa enko ba bia medical ka achewo opa jidu pa manyini and me be ye video na de chain na yi and 600,000 views ekika ko 1 million views Kevin Taylor kasa 100 years I won't mean 1 million views that onyo bia ma cho say a group ba ko pentie no NDC for nko an tie no me o man ni nyire tie me because there is no favoritism on this platform wajimi oye correct ebebo abaso wonim nyansa ebebo abaso wajimi oye ade pa ebe preziu so what you say the first John Mahama kejeti ahye ya odi America duro no that right there no is a real definition of a true leadership but what could duro no nkoye maf talk use the power we have given it to you to fix the problem to prevent the future damages and mase kantaman to ahye ade chikejeti ahye na da bia e route ti hye sa abra ye leaders amua kwasiafo etu taxi mamu faso bia mamu so set example as a great leader. Preventing fire outbreak. You have to end it. That is why we have given you the power. Amount power say the power has been given it to you for you to use the power to fix the problems. So until the warm up, there is no favoritism. And to be draw and say obey your BBB, I won't mean you, especially when it comes to the almighty Twene Jonas. Because the truth is powerful and the truth will always defeat lies no matter what. And to say NDC man ya Jimmy no. Na man hweso amwa John Mahama na amwa and deliver. Na mu di Jimmy na chinama betena ho dwama no ye kwachi Twene Jonas o ye ko Jimmy o ye Jimmy o. Na 4 years ban man timi amobra man timi ansosidi man timi am for free mo promise ba ko kra I will send you home simple me na make kire mo Kevin Taylor no mentimi ne nko because onye obia onye me level no oye obia me born back to back ontimi ma forward wadwane kalo ono say nipa no onye obia eye ordinary person bi na so ni mu ankasa miri wa video be 2 million amano me ontime nkama sem me din kura mama o monitor o so ontime mo me din o page no so enti onyo bia wow enti somebody who is nobody no oye dan ne me be kontokwa wa dwane kalo me born back to back ontime ma forward so ti nipa ni ntime ma forward no de na menye They see what they are question 2026 because when he said that time no enuru na obi arefi say all the Twene Jonas beba was champagne obi ameko fan about 24 hours me kura minim say check rank 48 hours by now Twene Jonas for Ghana I feel the kwasi abet na say me de beba 2026 uni Charles Rat obi ansu yanyansa and Mahama mesisa we no faso ni so mate say Chief Justice NDC for Jimmy for no chinchini a mo pese mo ya na mo sisa no ma me ne ye adwuma mu nkipu no na mo nyai say that be a waste of money mo de obi foforo ba ne ye ba betuatua sika akọ handan foforo de natenam anya say anso adan na ye de ma no no afi ni ye kototo nkonwa foforo besiesie na taxpayers money ni ye say no kwa nkwasiafo nipa no nimdi a wa acquire for many years no let us keep the person. Wow, obi ni boni keep the person. Obi say Kevin Taylor talk too much on yes we Jimmy NDC for ni nyina enkwasiafo na omoje Jimmy for we ensema okay the we NDC ni odwan tie me John Mahama and the Kasa Agidi Kevin Taylor is just like you. He is nobody. Or to say wa ohuru plate ohuru bad ross ewo abrochire kurase o man New York say da o man me hu glass am kan chen no me host no New York no me hwe abro sign o me hwe sky creepers we kurasi ni no ti dem na dede no ye na NDC for man points no de to aduani di enti he is nobody nipa we NDC ni o somebody o ka asema afani serious John Mahama Kevin Taylor whatever he's telling you what you say can you do what? Oh, okay, show it to me so that people will see. This is going live to I am live, yes.
Oh,
yeah. Hi, this is going live to Africa.
What were you saying?
I'm speaking Ghana language. I'm talking to them. I'm showing them how beautiful America looks. You know. Right. Yeah. That's what I'm showing.
You want to show them?
Yeah. Let me show them your brand. You have Instagram. They can follow you. You have
our Instagram is Gamble Universal, GAMBL, no E_Universal.
Yes. Okay. So yeah, let me show them the brand.
So we got
this. Is
this.
the brand. Yes.
We got the hustle like I'm going broke.
Yes.
Feel the material.
It's high quality. Yeah. They can buy from online, right?
No.
Only the store. Only the store. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. They can order from Instagram or anything, right?
No. Not yet.
No problem.
Coming soon.
Yeah. I still have about 50,000 to 100,000 people who watches me from New York. I got millions of followers.
What do you do?
I'm a superstar in Ghana.
Nice.
Yes. So I can follow you on
Instagram.
IG. Yes.
Okay.
You have IG.
It's Gamble Universal.
All right. So my name is TW. ENE. Yes. That's
John.
me right here. Yeah, that's me right there. So text me hi and I'm gonna then I will know your Instagram. Then I will know use the brand page to text me.
Okay.
And then I will respond to you and I'll share your IG so that people will follow you when they come to New York. Okay. I have many followers.
Thank you so much.
And my IG got only a few followers, but my Facebook, which is I'm live now, got almost more. 2 million followers. Okay. Yeah, so they're gonna come.
All right, have a blessed day.
All right, have a good day. My name is Jonas.
Oh.
Jonas, Jonas.
Jonas.
Yes.
Trinity. Okay. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, I'm in New York. I'll come around.
Come support next time.
Next time I'll come and I'll buy some for myself so that I can wear it and be in the video.
All right,
have a good day. Anytime I come, I'll see you here, right? You at Monday to Friday or
I'm off Tuesdays, but I'll be here Monday.
Juniors, I will choose the Kevin Taylor so hard one. I will born now actually no. Any NDC for any His Excellency John Mahama. Chirajo Mame, comment section. Hi Penyah Blog Media. Accra.